Oh, and there's Juliette. Found herself a little sludge hole. Yeah, what's that, Juliette? Oh, what you digging for in there? Looking for something? Or something good? You dig yourself a hole? A little wallow? I'd go a little further down there. There you go. That's right, clean out the ditch. Ducks made a big mess in there. Trudge her out. Oh, okay. Nice spot to lay down. Yeah. Oh, that feels good, eh? Oh, that feels so good. Oh, that feels so good. Yeah. That sounds like satisfaction grunts. Yeah. Yeah, satisfaction grunts. Oh, it feels so good. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Just gonna take a nap there for a little bit.